Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling special challenge notifications on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When this setting is enabled, you will be notified on your watch about limited edition awards you can earn by completing activity-related challenges. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and tap Activity. Then tap the toggle to the right of Special Challenges to enable or disable notifications. When the toggle is green, notifications are enabled, and when grey, they are switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.